Church Alive.
We're the Heels.
I'm Shay, and this is my wife, Etoria. Even if you have a great marriage, the marriage retreat will be a blessing to your marriage. It took us to another level that we didn't even know was possible. Okay, we didn't know it was possible. we knew it could be better, but it was awesome already. So, you know, it's something that I would encourage everyone to do or to participate in, and you will be blessed by it.
I really enjoyed the marriage retreat. I thought it was awesome. I just thought it was going to be more like a counseling session, but it was nothing like that. The exercises that was presented is something that we were able to do at the retreat and take home and practice. How not to take one another for granted, how to pray for one another, how to love one another, the meaning of love, the meaning of marriage. It's funny, you can be with a person 24/7 and not be connected to that person. And it's because of all the distractions of life, kids, work, other obligations that you may have. You don't even know that you're not connected. If you're thinking about going, don't think any longer, just go, because it is worth it.